Robert, and you're watching Backyard Bodyworks. Hey everybody, today is Saturday. It's a shop cleanup day. This is actually going on to the shop cam footage. So we're just going to be cleaning up some of the debris that has collected, and to make a safer working environment for me and for Cheryl when we're out here working. So thanks for watching, and continue to watch the shop cam footage. Hey everybody, that's going to conclude the video for the November shop cam. I have gotten the live video feed up and running, and it seems to be working pretty well. That's us right now. We are, of course, there's a little bit of a delay, but that's what's going on. So that's the test that I'm running right now through Facebook Live, and eventually I'll have it live on YouTube when I'm out here working in the shop. Continue to look for the future videos on the GT6 as we're repairing. You know, I got to get parts for the fender and for the rear valance. You know, it's Christmas time. You know, this is the beginning of December, and so I'm kind of waiting to see what's going to come from Santa. Thanks for stopping by the shop. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, by all means subscribe and give us a like. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and help us out there. If you want to get notified every time that we upload a video, either on this project or any of the other projects that we're working on, hit the notification bell and that will alert you every time that we upload a video. Thanks so much, and y'all have a wonderful season. Have a blessed day and keep it shiny. Bye.